Okay, what we're talking about today is installing the adapter on the D20. You have Allen bolts, regular bolts, washers, very important, 13 roller bearings, has to be 13, 5/16 or 8mm, whatever. I just happen to have an 8mm, so we're going to use that. Allen wrench, the adapter, and of course a transfer case. So what you want to do is, first thing you're going to do is install all this just like the other video we shot. Right here on the back there's a dot that's supposed to be facing up toward this, so when it goes on, it'll go on like this at an angle, so this will be pointing basically straight down once you clock the transfer case correctly. So what you're going to do is put this and this together like this. Now it's ready. Then you're going to take some grease, stick it down in here. You want to put a bunch down in there real good. Make sure that it's not, your bearings are not going to come out of there. And then you just drop them into the second stage down there. This is what the end of the spud shaft, this is the inner bearing for the spud shaft. So the outer race is the inner part of this shaft. It's the actual output shaft. So once you get all these in there and get them aligned, then you want to take your finger and smear grease around there so it kind of locks them in place. And the idea is that when you go to stick that shaft in the hole, the bearings aren't going to fall out because you won't know it, and you'll get almost all the way completely pushed down flush with that, and it won't go all the way down, so you'll pound on it and you'll damage stuff thinking it just needs to be a little more force, and there's actually a bearing that fell out, just like a U-joint. Push real hard and you break a U-joint, or you break the bearing. I don't think you could probably break one of these because they're seriously, and they're 5/16 diameter or something, pretty big. Okay, stop it.